Math Gad.
Ohmathgad guys, welcome to another video in which we're going to be learning about the parabola. In this case, we're going to be learning how to write the vertex, the focus, and the directrix when we're given the equation of the parabola. Okay, so let's begin. Okay guys, so in this case, we're given the equation of the parabola, which is y minus 6 is equal to 1 divided by 4 times x minus 1, and that raised to the power of 2. Okay, so now, as you guys remember, we have to take into account the formula of the parabola. Now, we're going to be taking a look at the values of h, k, and p. And then once we find those values, we're going to be able to select or see how we can actually find it. Okay, we have to remember that our value of the directrix is going to be y equals k minus p, right? And our value of the focus is going to be h comma k plus p, okay? But we have to be very, very careful with the signs, okay? Now, whenever we have our value here, we have that y minus 6 is equal to 1/4 of x minus 1 raised to the power of 2. So now here we can see that it's actually kind of different. So x minus h to the power of 2, it's going to be this one right here. And then we have 4p times y minus k, right? But we have it organized differently. So what we're going to do is that we're going to organize it again. So x minus 1 to the power of 2, which is the same way we have it here, is equal to 4p. So now this 4 is going to pass to the other side, multiplying 4 times y minus 6. And then we're just going to reverse it. So x minus 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times y minus 6. So we haven't changed a thing, we have just reorganized it. Okay, now we can actually see that the value here, right, so minus h is going to be equal to minus 1. So h is going to be equal to positive 1. And then we have here minus k is equal to minus 6. So that means that k is equal to plus 6. And we know that 4p is equal to 4. So that means that p is equal to 1. Now, we have to be very, very careful about that, right? Because the formula doesn't actually tells us if the formula of the parabola is going to be opening downwards or if it's going to be opening upwards. Now, in order to know that, what we're going to do is that we're going to substitute. So we know that our directrix, right, is going to be y equals k minus p. So it's going to be 6 minus 1, which is going to be 5. So y equals 5. And we know that our focus is going to be on h, comma, k plus p. So in this case, we're going to have k, right, plus p. So we're going to have that our focus f is going to be on 1, comma, 7. Okay? Now that is crucial information because now we know the following, right? We know that our value of the vertex is going to be on 1, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that our focus is going to be on 1, 7. And we know that our directrix is going to be on y equals 5. So it's going to be around here. Okay? Which means that our vertex is going to open up like this, which means that our parabola is going to open upwards. So first thing we did, we found h and k. After reorganizing our formula, we found the value of p, and we just substituted in the formula of the directrix and the focus. And then once we actually draft it and graph it, we're going to see if it opens upwards or downwards. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!